Well, sir, I had come to ask you about some leakage problem, but before I come to that, can you please give me the name of your AC contractor?
Well, I will have to check with the administration department. But why?
It is peak summer, yet your office is so cool. However, in my customer's office, they have installed ACs, but the cooling is ineffective. His AC contractor says since he is on the top floor, the roof gets heated up, and so he has to work in unbearable temperatures or install more capacity. But my customer is worried about the expense and the electricity bills.
Arey Vijay, this comfortable temperature in my office is not because of my AC contractor. We've also had the same problem until we introduced a fantastic new product for this. Let me show you. Every roof gets heated up in the sun and transmits much of this heat into the room below. Presenting Dr. Fixit Heat Shield, a heat-reducing exterior coating that has been specially formulated using advanced materials and technology. Heat Shield forms a highly reflective and heat-resistant barrier with ultraviolet protection. Heat Shield's unique technology works in two ways. First, Heat Shield reflects up to 76% of the rays of the sun back into the atmosphere, reducing the amount of heat reaching the surface of the heat shield coating on the roof. Second, the heat shield film has a unique formulation consisting of hollow glass spheres. These spheres reduce the conduction of heat from the surface of the coating to the roof surface. Thus, the roof surface is much cooler when heat shield is applied. Since the roof is much cooler, it also does not conduct much heat into the room, resulting in much cooler rooms.
How does Heat Shield compare with competing products?
Vijay, Heat Shield is the first such product in the country, which uses hollow glass spheres for a very high reflectivity and low conduction. Competing products work only on the basis of reflection. Heat Shield has been successfully used in the US and many other developed countries for the last several years.
How much temperature can Heat Shield reduce?
Why don't we see the effect of Heat Shield on an actual metal roof? The surface on the right is untreated. On the left side, we have applied 3 coats of Dr. Fixit Heat Shield. As you can see on the digital thermometers, the surface coated with Heat Shield has a surface temperature of only 33 degrees Celsius. But the temperature on the untreated surface is 45 degrees Celsius. Therefore, Heat Shield has resulted in a surface temperature drop of 12 degrees Celsius. Similarly, on a concrete roof, the untreated surface on the left side has a temperature of 45 degrees Celsius, while the application of Heat Shield on the concrete has resulted in a surface temperature of only 37 degrees Celsius, giving a surface temperature drop in concrete of 8 degrees Celsius. Due to the application of Heat Shield, the temperature inside the room is also lower by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius compared to the inside temperature in a room without Heat Shield. This results in comfort and also in lower bills for air conditioning.
Well, this is very interesting. But is Heat Shield only for roofs?
Well, Dr. Fixit Heat Shield can be used on concrete and metal surfaces of roofings and walls of residential and commercial complexes, cold storages, and fuel and water tanks.
Does Heat Shield have a waterproofing and crack bridging abilities?
Yes, it does. However, waterproofing is not a primary application of Heat Shield, and therefore it cannot replace the main waterproofing treatment.
Okay.
Regarding the crack bridging abilities, this is a membrane of cured Heat Shield. As you can see, Heat Shield is flexible. This film of Heat Shield is being tested for its tensile properties. As we see, Heat Shield can stretch to more than twice its length. Therefore, Heat Shield can easily accommodate the movement in hairline cracks and can fulfill minor waterproofing needs. However, for more stringent waterproofing requirements, you should use Dr. Fixit New Coat and overcoat it with Heat Shield.
How do we apply Heat Shield?
Come, let's see. Dr. Fixit Heat Shield is very easy to use. To obtain the maximum benefit of heat shield, the existing surface must be sound. On cementitious substrates, repair all cracks, pits and debonded portions with Dr. Fixit Pedicrete URP modified mortar and finish them properly. The application surface should be cleaned to remove all loose material. Metal surfaces should be degreased thoroughly by washing down with detergent. For high atmospheric temperatures, the substrate temperature will be much higher, beyond 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. In such situations, cool the substrate down using a water hose. Concrete and AC sheet roofs should be pre-wetted. Allow the substrate to attain a saturated surface dry condition. Cementitious and mild steel surfaces should now be primed. Use Dr. Fixit Prime Seal diluted with potable water in a ratio of 2:1 by volume for cementitious surfaces. Use red oxide paint for mild steel surfaces. Allow the primer to dry for at least 2 to 3 hours. Before using Dr. Fixit Heat Shield, stir the contents of the pack well. Heat Shield comes in liquid form. Apply the first coat of undiluted Dr. Fixit Heat Shield on the prepared surface. Ensure that there are no areas of damaged or incomplete coverage. Wait for 2 hours. Now apply the second coat of undiluted Dr. Fixit Heat Shield on top of the first coat. When the second coat is dry in 2 hours, apply the third coat of undiluted Dr. Fixit Heat Shield. The surface is now ready for use. To quickly summarize, first, make sure the surface is sound. Repair unsound cementitious surfaces with Dr. Fixit Pedicrete URP modified mortar. Second, clean the surface. Third, cool the surface if it's too hot. Fourth, cementitious surfaces should be pre-wetted. Fifth, prime the surfaces using Dr. Fixit Prime Seal for cementitious surfaces and red oxide paint for mild steel surfaces. Finally, apply heat shield in 3 coats with at least 2 to 3 hours between coats. Do not dilute heat shield.
That looks simple. But is there anything that we need to be careful about while applying heat shield?
There are just 3 simple precautions to take when using Dr. Fixit Heat Shield. First, do not dilute heat shield. Use it from the pack without dilution. Second, do not apply heat shield when the ambient temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. Third, do not apply heat shield when the substrate temperature is too high. Cool down the substrate with water.
You have explained that we need to apply 3 coats of heat shield. Can we apply 2 coats to cut costs?
Well, yes, you can apply 2 coats, but the effectiveness will be less than that of 3 coats.
What is the service life of heat shield coating, and does it need maintenance?
Once applied, heat shield can last around 10 years. And for maintenance, you just have to clean it once in a while with water so that it reflects heat well. It has a very high scrub resistance of over 8,000 cycles, so it does not wear out if the roof is cleaned, and it can take foot traffic. It also resists algae and fungus growth.
Does heat shield come in different colors, or can we tint it?
No, heat shield comes only in white color and it should not be tinted, because white color gives the maximum heat reflection.
Okay.
I hope, Vijay, you are fully convinced about using Dr. Fixit Heat Shield.
Of course, sir. I think it is an excellent new product, and I will recommend it to all my customers.
Thank you, Vijay. And remember, Dr. Fixit Heat Shield is created by using advanced materials and technology to give a high-quality, all-purpose insulating coating for terraces, sloping roofs, cold storages, fuel tanks and water tanks, etc.